on, guys? So I didn't actually trade this morning. I was sleeping. I was up pretty late last night. A buddy of mine cruised over, so we're hanging out until around 1, 2 a.m. But I just want to walk you through what my eyes would have seen. Very, very easy sells this morning. I'll walk you through just a 4-hour time frame, and I'll walk you through both UJ and EU for early in the morning. Again, EU or UJ wasn't 100% clear early in the morning, as you can see. Like, let's look at the. Actually, that is pretty clear because we just would follow momentum. I haven't really looked at UJ too much today, just EU. But for an example, right? So we've got prices sitting on a pretty nice support here, right? You just look left. We always want to look left, and then you can just see that this is a very, very strong area that prices touch. If you zoom out again, you can see, if we even draw it all the way across the screen, you can see that it's just a very strong area. It's like right on the T, all the way even a few days back, or actually month back. That was in the month of October or November, excuse me. But you can see, very strong area, very strong zone. So what do we notice from this is, of course, 22 hours all the way until 2 a.m. Rejection, came back down, to retest again, but then it rejected. So by the time 6 a.m. opens up, you can get a pretty clear idea of the momentum where price would have gone. Profit target may have been, you look left, and just because of these wicks and because of just the area where price was at, you can see, well, okay, there's probably a wick fill. So let's do a price range, and let's see kind of how far. So it was 5. So it went up. It didn't go up drastically, but you can see, it was plenty of opportunity in the morning for some nice buys. Let's see what the 15-minute time frame did, so we can kind of get an idea. So here's by 5:30. So here's by 5:45. So I would have been up here at this time, and then so right by 6. Strong. That's pretty strong rejection right here. So just follow momentum, and then as you can see, could have been pretty quick and easy. Oh yeah, that's definitely quick and easy. Right for the 6 a.m. kind of push up 12 pips. Plenty of opportunity there. Not as pretty. Definitely not as pretty, but still plenty of room and opportunity. It's NFP week, so of course NFP is going to move nasty. But EU is what was nice. EU is definitely what was nice, right? So just like yesterday, the way that EU had opened up, EU opened up here yesterday. Let's draw a little box here, right? So, or actually, it really broke through the support that was here. Now support that had turned resistance. But anyway, so this was yesterday's right here, as you guys know from yesterday's video. Let me find the brush. Right, price broke this support early in the morning, right? So we can expect, what is price going to do? It's going to go down to the next zones, right? And what did it do? It came directly down to the next zone, made its little retracement, and then by 2 a.m. the next day, right? Let's delete this now. By 2 a.m. the next day, where was the next support zone? It was right here. So here's the 2 a.m. candle sitting. It's sitting right on the support, yes, but now we've got a little bit of a wick fill, and we already know that the morning is going to have a nice push. So you just follow momentum, and as you can see, this was clear and easy sells. If I was awake, of course I would have traded, but I snoozed everything. I was way too tired this morning, so too tired to don't trade. No point. Oops, drops 27 pips. Huge opportunity to make tons of money here in the morning. Very huge opportunity to make tons of money in the morning. If we look at the 15-minute time frame, what do we notice at the 15-minute time frame? So here's 5:45. Boom, here's right by 6, right? Let's do a, how much battery do I have? 2%. All right, I gotta Gotta plug this in so it doesn't die on you guys. All right, so let's just do this, right? Like lower high, and let me just kind of clone it a bit, and then let me write some lower lows, and I'll clone that one a bit. Actually, that's a perfect opportunity right there. So of course, as you can see, when price is in confluence, what is it doing, right? It's making lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So when price is moving in confluence based off of, the 4-hour time frame already confirmed, okay, well, we're sitting on the support, but now we got a wick to fill and just follow momentum. Why would it go up? There's nothing supporting the fact that price is gonna go up, right? And the currency meter actually, pretty much for most of the day, the U.S. dollar was strong. The euro has been weak. I've been watching it. It's been weak. So early in the morning, we say, okay, the euro's weak. The U.S. dollar is strong. We can see we can follow momentum. So what do? We take sells, right? You take sells. It's clear and easy momentum to take. So as we can see, here's right at 6 a.m. What did price do? Directly at 6 a.m., price did drop. All right, 11 pips. There's already massive profit target within the first 15-minute candle, right? And then what does it do? It pulls back, makes a lower high. And so what does it do? You just follow momentum. It's just going to keep going down. It's going to keep going down. Let me delete this. It's looking kind of ugly over here. Right? So there we go. Boom. Drops your 11 pips, makes your pullback. Right? Plenty of more sell opportunities. We're already sell biased. You can always expect a pullback because price will come to make another lower high. And what does it do? It fulfills that. Then it drops again. And then even right by 7, 8, this is actually by 8-ish, right? But we're looking to be done pretty early in the morning because as soon as this 4 o'clock or 4 a.m., 4-hour candle opens, we're looking to take our profit pretty quickly. We pretty much want to get in and get out and then run stop loss and profit. And we would have done that. I would have done that, but I was sleeping. But I just wanted to walk you guys through the market structure on how you see the power of the early morning push with confluence, comparing it with lower highs, lower lows market structure, and just understanding the fact that there's the specific times of the day price is going to make a push, and we want to trade the times of the day that price is going to make a push because we know there's volatility in the market. You want to trade around the fact that there's volatility in the market. You don't want to just be staring at your computer all day long. You want to be trading when you know there's volatility in the market, right? That's just to be the safest, the smartest trader. Even if we look back in time a little bit, we've got higher highs here, right? This is pre-London almost, right? So there's 2,300 hours, so we know 0, 0 is going to be London. So let's follow market structure with London. Now we got a lower low, lower high, lower high. This is pre-London, an hour pre-London. Look, 2,300 hours is an hour pre-London. Already confirmed that, there's an hour. So when you're trading London Open, because London Open is in between a 4-hour candle, you really want to start trading before. You want to get on about an hour before London. And as you can see, so here's an hour before London. It makes its first lower high. Boom. Stack your sales up. Let's look at how London would have looked. Wow. Huge profit opportunity. That's in one 15-minute candle. So technically you're already done by, just pre-London. And then what did it do? It made another pullback for 30 minutes, right? And that was right for London Open. So what did London Open do? Now we've got another lower low. Let me move this bad boy over. And now we've got lower high right for London Open. Here's 0, 0 or 0.15. So 15 minutes after, boom, what does it do? Drops again. So it drops a total of 20 pips by 15 minutes after London Open. So there's plenty of profit opportunities where you just get in and get out, right? So here's pre-London, lower high, easy sells, boom, drops, makes another lower high, boom, drops again, and you're already done. You're looking to be done at this point. You're not looking to stay on and say I want to make more money. You know, we just want to get in and get out. The same thing happens for the morning. What did the morning do? Let's do a little recap. The recap was, so here's your 4-hour candle. Follow momentum. Look how strong bearish momentum that is. There was no pullback at all. There was no time for it. Price wanted to make a push first thing in the morning. Currency meter was suggesting, I mean, this is live right now, but I can almost guarantee that because the US dollar has been strong all day. So I could pretty much guarantee that the euro was looking like this, or maybe just even one early in the morning. It was probably one. It probably had just one red, and it was probably full green all the way up on US dollar, or even like this. And it was just giving plenty of signals to say, hey, you know what, guys, we're going down. You know, we're not waiting for this. We're going straight down right now. And that's exactly what price did. So if we put up our stuff again, we can see this was price was sitting right here. This red line right here was the support. Breaks through the support, makes another lower high by 6:15 a.m. whatever. So by 6:30, by 6:45, you're really looking to have already taken your profit. Or if you're up early, like I'm up at 5:30, so maybe even by 5:30, just looking to take the sell entries. But if you're waiting for the 4-hour candle to close, which is smart, it's very smart to just wait for the candle to close, you're good to go. You're just in and out, guys. You stack all your money, you stack all your chips, whatever you got, however your trading plan is to make your money. You do it first thing in the morning. You get in, you get out, and you can enjoy the rest of the day. You get in and you get out. Even if you trade London Open, right? If you're over there in the Europe side of the world and you want to trade London, I mean, it's a little hard for East Coasters to trade all the sessions, or I don't recommend trading all the sessions, but pick and choose which session you want. And realistically, you can see how profits come so fast. This is, 30 minutes within pre-London. This is 30 minutes before London Open. You're already done. You'd be looking to be done. Here's a lower high again. Okay, get in maybe, or you just quit. There's no reason to trade anymore after you do that. The same thing for this morning. So by 6:30, let's do a little pip count. So let's say if you got in right at 6, right here, it even went down, and then it retraced. Maybe you would have suffered a little bit of drawdown from some entries, so you just enter some more on the pullback, and then what does it do? It just tanks. 16-something pips per position, however many positions, you're already done. There's no reason to trade anymore after that. That's 45 minutes into the new 4-hour candle. You're done for the day. Just like that. You get in, you get out, right? So this morning, UJ was not as clear, but just by following momentum, we can see, look at all these rejections, right? We can just see all these rejections. And, by 5:45, look at how strong that bullish push was. So you can probably expect by the morning we're going to have the push, right? And then it's just doing its own ugly thing. But you can see the buy opportunity, still 17, or realistically, 12 pips or so right at 6 a.m. And we would have noticed that, my boys in my group chat caught it. They were sending out the signals. They caught it. I was sleeping, but they caught it, right? Jumps up 17 pips, but first thing in the morning, you can see just follow momentum. Just follow momentum. But UJ was not as clear. So I probably would not have traded UJ because EU was just too beautiful. It was way too easy to have not passed up. I wouldn't have even thought about trading UJ because I would have said, well, EU is going straight down, so I'm not even going to look at UJ. I'm just going to trade EU. That's how I like to do it. But if both pairs have confirmed direction, I'll trade them both. But totally done, in and out. I just wanted to kind of help you guys out so you can understand the ways that I think when I'm trading. Again, if you guys want, my Instagram is at the_wolf_of_FX. Facebook. You guys can add me, send me questions, whatever. I get a lot of messages every day. is at Kyle. I always do that, huh? I always like make lowercase k, whatever. You guys can follow me, add me. I'm doing a free webinar tomorrow. Free Webby tomorrow. That is Thursday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So AKA California time. Limited spots available. I'll be going over market structure, kind of like how I trade, and I'm gonna be asking questions for attendees. I just kind of want to see where you guys' heart's at. I want to see how you guys are trading, kind of help you guys maybe correct it and stuff. A free Webby tomorrow. I actually have here's just send me a message and I'll send you the Zoom link. I posted on my Facebook, but it'll be tomorrow. As you can see, I have a password for it. If you want to join, send me a private message. But the password is Wolf. If you guys are attending, the password is Wolf. So I'd love to see you guys there tomorrow. Help you guys out a little bit, just to give a little bit back free to the community. So I'm going to end this now. Hope to see you guys tomorrow.